Hello.
Good morning, children. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
You are audible.
Yes, ma'am.
You are audible.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Anshika, I'm not getting you. What is the problem?
Your voice is coming.
Hello. Hello. All will raise your hands if I'm audible. Then it's okay. इसको ठीक कोई आओ तो प्लस help me. Someone please. और हाँ ऐसे कर. So I think board is visible. No, children? Board is visible? Green board?
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
So,
Yes,
listen
ma'am.
carefully. I'm going to explain you tense, rules of tense. Although I have explained it during online classes, but few things once again I would like to remind you. So be ready. Sit with your pen and paper.
मैम बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं है.
बेटा पास से नहीं मैं कैसे करूं? अच्छा ठीक है सुनो मैं बताती हूँ.
मैम बोर्ड क्लियर है.
क्या है? मैम जूम कर
मैम
दो.
बोर्ड क्लियर है. मैम बोर्ड क्लियर है.
बेटा टेक्नोलॉजिकली आई एम नॉट सो एडवांस्ड एज मच एज यू आर आस्किंग मी. जूम करो ये करो जितना हो रहा है बहुत है. Listen. Yeah. Now listen, few things. I'm going to explain you tense. I know it's a very common thing which has been explained to you many times. But the irony is that is still you children are confused in tense. That if you have to write sentence or a passage, I don't know what you think and where you go. Sometimes if you are absent, then also you answer. If I ask you, why were you absent yesterday? You said, I will go to market. I will means I'm asking you why yesterday you were absent and you are telling me that future you are planning to go to market. That means yesterday you were planning, sitting at your place. How will you go to whatever? So this is the irony.
I had gone for much.
Yeah. Yes, gone or something. What simple past tense. I went to the market yesterday. मैं कल मार्केट गया था. That is the simple way to say. Now another problem is you don't know about verb forms. Generally in MCQ, because grammar is going to be MCQ entirely. So during MCQ also, when the questions comes like this, complete the following sentence with suitable verb forms. What are the questions? Complete the following sentences with the suitable verb forms. There again you get confused. And so you are so confused that you don't know what is the correct answer. कैसे बताइए ना सर.
बोर्ड जो है ना दिख रहा है वो उल्टा दिख रहा है.
नहीं तो वो रिकॉर्डिंग में सीधा आ जाए. अच्छा बच्चों को
बच्चों को एक प्रॉब्लम होता है.
अच्छा एक सेकंड
होता है ना एक में
मेरे में
लैंग्वेज का वो
इसमें तो नहीं है सर.
सेटिंग होगा ना थोड़ा नहीं आ रहा है.
तो मैसेज. अच्छा एक सेकंड आप ये ढूंढ रहे हैं. ये
हाँ ये हो गया ना सेम
मिररिंग
हो गया. और इसके बाद हो गया जो लैंड स्केप वगैरह हम लोग
इसमें
करते
तो नहीं है.
हैं.
कुछ कल सीख के तब आ जाएंगे.
ये है क्या?
ये तो पता नहीं. ये तो कोड टू स्कैनिंग है.
स्कैनिंग का
मुझसे तो नहीं दिख रहा है. ये बड़ा नहीं होगा. अच्छा हो जाएगा.
डबल क्लिक करने पे हो जाता है.
अच्छा ठीक है. चिल्ड्रन देखो बच्चों बोर्ड तो आप लोगों को बहुत उल्टा लग रहा होगा. देन हाउ विल यू बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, ma'am.
मोबाइल
तो
पे
protect
घुमा
के लिए.
सकते हैं.
लैपटॉप वगैरह में होगा ना. लैपटॉप में
लैपटॉप तो सर मुसीबत है.
मैम ब्लैकबोर्ड क्लियर है.
ज्वाइन किया हुआ लैपटॉप.
अच्छा नहीं
हम तो
चिल्ड्रन आर
portrait
नॉट
कर देंगे.
कंप्लेनिंग. वो बोला हो जाएगा. ओके ठीक है बेटा. बाद में रिकॉर्डिंग में भी देख सकते हो. इफ यू विल हैव एनी कंफ्यूजन देन यू कैन सी इट इन द रिकॉर्डिंग. नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. फ्यू थिंग्स जो तुम्हें पता है. आई एम ओनली गोइंग. हाँ हाँ ओके ओके थैंक यू. सी फ्यू थिंग्स व्हिच आई वुड लाइक टू शो. सबको पहले 10 से पहले सीखना है. You all know, but a revision, quick revision. V1. What is V1? I know verb forms. Huh?
Main verb.
But what do you call it? V1
Do.
is what?
Ma'am, main
Base.
verb.
नहीं, main verb तो सब है. How can you say V2 is not the main verb? Maybe the form has changed. Form has changed. How can you know it's not main verb? It is present form. Present
Of verb.
form. Yes, present form of verb, which is also known as basic form. Note it down. V1 is, जब भी कोई पूछेगा what is V1, don't say anything else. You simply say it is the present form of verb, which is also known as basic form. Clear? Now what is V2? Again you will say yeah.
Past.
Clear? Past
form.
form. Yes, it is the
Past
past
form
form of verb. Clear? What is V3?
Past participle.
Future participle.
Future जो बोला है, it is past participle. Basically you can call it participle form. It is participle form. Yes, and mostly it is also known as past, but it can be past ही बोलेंगे, लेकिन it can be used in present form also, because if you are making a sentence present perfect tense, there also you are using V3. So in some of the books or grammar books you will say that oblique, they will write down participle form past oblique present. Now what is V4? V4 is not in
Continuous
methodical
form.
grammar. Yes, continuous form. And one more thing I would like to add, it is continuous form. Okay, continuous form, which layman के language में क्या बोलेंगे? ing form. Okay, and present participle form also. अब ये बाद में मैं बताऊंगी how. Present participle form. Okay, this is also known
Ma'am,
as.
what is the
And
meaning of what is literal meaning of participle?
participle. Participle का literal meaning, it is a form of grammar. जैसे present tense, past tense. Okay. So participle is also, and what happens when you talk about participle form, then basically you are talking about so many things. Present participle also, past participle also. Whenever we are using, तुम्हें देखो याद है infinitive, infinitive, gerund, participles, उसमें तो non-finite verbs, have you heard? कभी सुना है non-finite verbs? No. Now you will listen. Non-finite verbs, that also I am going to explain you very soon. उसी का एक part है participle form. Non-finite has 3 branches. Number one is gerund. No, sorry. Number 1 is infinitive. Infinitive. What is infinitive? Whenever we add to before, वो मैं बाद में बता दूंगी, quickly बता रही हूँ. Whenever we add to before any verb, then the main verb remain in its first present basic form. Means if you are adding to any verb, then verb will convert into basic form. 2 plus V1 plus. Then we have gerund. Gerund सुना है? ing form?
Yes, ma'am.
Gerund you will have. Yes, gerund. Gerund क्या होता है? When a verb after adding ing acts like a noun. सुन लो. When a verb, अच्छा मैं ये भी समझा देती हूँ. That is, and then we have participle form. Non-finite verb में third आ जाता है participle form, which has 2 phases. First, present participle, जिसे हम लोग ing भी करते हैं, ing form, and the second one is past participle, which is changed by using t, ed, d. Okay, so this is participle. And now we have V5. V5 क्या है? अच्छा, V4 and V5. It is not used in Oxford English book. किसी grammar book में नहीं मिलेगा. But still, in order to understand different forms of verbs, we are using V4 and V5. So V5, V5 is singular form. Singular form, which is also known as S or ES. याद है ना uses S.
Yes,
ES.
ma'am.
So these are the 5 forms of verb which, ऐसे तो French language के बारे में पढ़ा है मैंने कि French language में एक verb का, main verb का 30 forms होता है. But thank God we don't have so much complication in English. That's why I'm telling you, my dear children, English is easier than even your Hindi also, Sanskrit also. But only one concept you have to have, that you have to take it, you have to learn it. कोई भी language है तो learn तो करना पड़ेगा ना. अब ऐसा तो नहीं है. So that's why English is easier than any other languages in the world. Now see, these are the 5 forms of verb. V1 present form or basic form you can call it. V2 is past form. V3 is participle form. Mostly it is known as past participle, but sometimes we use for present also. V4 is continuous form, ing form or present participle form, and V5 is singular form, S or ES. Clear? Now this is clear. Now let's move to next thing. Have you heard about BE? BE क्या है? BE. B नहीं है, हनी बी की बात नहीं कर रही हूं मैं. BE. What is this?
होना.
Sometimes I'm not talking. I'm not asking. देखो तुम लोग हिंदी meaning don't tell me. Literal meaning you all know. I'm not talking about. But what it is known. Grammar में से क्या बोलते हैं? अच्छा एक चीज याद करो. You would have seen, बहुत बार क्वेश्चन पेपर में एक क्वेश्चन आता है जिसमें रहेगा he dash ब्रैकेट में रहता है BEB going to the market. He dash going to the market yesterday. I have seen children writing वो क्या करते हैं B को been. He been going to the market yesterday. कर देते हो ना. Now you get confused क्योंकि क्वेश्चन होता है कि complete the sentence with suitable verb forms. और ब्रैकेट में ऑप्शन में क्या दे दिया है B. Now you are confused. So what is BE? Tell me. My dear
V1.
children, now you are in 9th standard. So remember, if anyone asks you what is BE, usko bologe BE is the main form of verb. Main form of verb. Okay, ये भी basic form है. Basic form, you can also call it. Basic form of verb, which has 7 rays like rainbow. Rainbow देखा है ना? It has 7 colors. तो B के भी हमारे 7 colors हैं. 7 colors. अब मुझे बताएगा colors का नाम कोई? Anyone? Online, offline?
Ma'am, red.
7. Huh? Oh, violet, red. I'm not asking if tight slap, virtual slap you will get. I'm not asking about colors. I'm asking about different forms. He's saying red, green, violet. Colors, it is not the real rainbow. मैं इसलिए rainbow बोल रही हूँ कि you will always remember. ऐसे तो कहता है लोग B क्या 8 forms है, including B.
Ma'am, can I
लेकिन
tell?
easy ये रहे. Yes, definitely.
Ma'am, being.
Ma'am, be, am, is, are, was, were, been, be.
Very good. Who are you? Tell me your name.
Ma'am, Pushkar.
Pushkar, which section?
Ma'am, 9F.
Very good, very good. Pushkar, well done. Pushkar said, and he is absolutely correct. B is known as main form of verb, which is also known as basic form of verb, and it has 7 forms. Ab likho. Is, am, are, was, were, where nahi, were, was, were, been, being. Got it? Note it down. B is the main form of verb and main form. कहीं कहीं बुक में देखोगे लिखा रहता है 8 forms. तो 8 किसको? इसी को प्लस कर दोगे तो 8 हो जाएगा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? But actually, why am I telling you to remember it as a rainbow? कि B is main and then it has 7 forms. Always remember. Now, अगर अब जो ये questions आते हैं एग्जाम में कि he मान लो आया BE ब्रैकेट में going to the
Is.
market.
Is.
हाँ.
Is.
अब तुरंत समझ आ गया कि what you will write down is. मतलब B main हो गया तो then you are trying. अगर यहाँ yesterday मान लो हो तो यहाँ पे क्या कर दोगे? Was.
Was.
Yes. Got it? Now clear? So
Yes,
B is main form of verb. Whenever you see that a question is like this, that complete the following sentence with suitable verb forms, then think. And think about the different forms of BE. And they are is, am, are, was, were, been, being. And think according to the sentence and fill in the blanks. Clear, children? Clear ho gaya? Let's move to the next thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Before tense, I would like to explain you these basic things, then only you will be able to understand. अब आ जाओ next में. This is known as, सुना है? Strong verb. Strong verb के बारे में सुना है कभी? अब strong verb ऐसा नहीं है कि च्यवनप्राश खा के strong हो गया, कम्प्लान पी के strong हो गया. Boost is the secret of my energy. Strong. Why he is strong? And why it is called weak verb? बताओ. It is also इसका एक nickname भी है. Strong verb जैसे आप लोग का nickname होता है ना, स्कूल में मान लो बड़ा अच्छा सा नाम हो, सृष्टि या तनुश्री, घर में होगा छोटा सा क्यूटी सा नेम तनु, or maybe whatever Chinky, Pinky, Tinky, whatever. No, that's very common. Everyone is having one nickname. And similarly, we have 2 names of weak verb and strong verb. Strong verb, why? कहाँ से strength मिला इसको? And why it is called a strong verb? First of all, tell me another name. यू आर वेरी क्लोज, लग रहा है याद आ रहा है. ओहो, एनीवन? यस, फेमस होना चाहते हो ऑनलाइन क्लास और ऑफलाइन क्लास में तो बता दो पुष्कर की तरह. एनीवन सिटिंग?
Ma'am, irregular verb is known as strong verb and regular verb is known as weak verb.
व्हाट्स योर नेम बेटा?
Ma'am, Soumya.
सौम्या ऑफ विच क्लास, विच सेक्शन? मतलब आई
9G.
जी. ओह, माय क्लास. ओह, मतलब माय, यू ऑल आर माय चिल्ड्रन. सॉरी चिल्ड्रन. हाँ, 9G सौम्या, शी गेव द करेक्ट आंसर. और आप बन गए हैं, एक नेक्स्ट स्टेज पे पहुंच गए हैं और आपको मिलेगा 1 करोड़ रुपए इस सवाल के लिए. नहीं, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू एनी रुपया, बट या ऑब्वियसली यू विल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेज. यस सौम्या, यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज रेगुलर वर्ब एंड इरेगुलर वर्ब. और आयरनी देख लो क्या है, स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्ब इज नोन एज इरेगुलर वर्ब. उल्टा नाम है, इरेगुलर वर्ब. And weak verb is known as, this is the irony, regular. Yes, ये हमेशा याद रखोगे कि opposite नाम है, regular verb. Now why? क्या मतलब है? What is the reason? Verb, verb, verb. We are talking about action. What is verb? Action word. A sentence is incomplete without a verb. No, because no idea will be conveyed. What is sentence? A group of words which convey some meaning. So if you genuinely want, so a common complete sentence क्या होता है? I'm talking about simple sentence. I'm not talking about compound or complex sentence. Then also we want a subject, a predicate. ऐसे सीखा, या एक subject है, verb है, noun, verb, adjective if necessary, adverb if necessary. But we have basically subject, verb, object. These are the common things which we need in a sentence. Now verb is always there. वर्ब के बिना तो सेंटेंस ही कंप्लीट नहीं होगा. अब सुनो, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन स्ट्रॉन्ग, व्हिच इज आल्सो नोन एज इरेगुलर वर्ब, एंड वीक वर्ब और रेगुलर वर्ब. द वर्ब व्हिच चेंज इट्स ऑन इट्स ओन, अपना जो चेंज, जैसे V1 से V2, V2 से V3, V3 से V4, V4 से V5. द वर्ब व्हिच चेंज इन इट्स ओन विदाउट टेकिंग हेल्प ऑफ D, ED, T, they are known as strong verb. Like example सुनो, सबसे common example इसमें write, write, wrote, written, break, broke, breaking, eat, ate, eaten, है ना? These are the जो अपने से change कर जा रहा है. Okay, weep, wept, hide, hid, hidden. So many, but we have limited number. That's why it is known as irregular verb, because we have, I don't know exact numbers, but we have limited numbers of strong verb. But yeah, they change on its own. पूरा chart मिल जाएगा तुम्हें कोई grammar book में. But what is weak verb? The verb which change its form with the help of D, ED or T. Maximum verbs are weak verbs. Happen, happened, happened. हाँ, अब कुछ ऐसे वर्क है, वर्ब है जो नहीं भी चेंज करते हैं, पता है ना? पुट, पुट, पुट,
Yes,
कट,
ma'am.
कट, कट,
cut.
डोंट, हाँ, पुट, पुटेड, पुटेड मत कर देना. I have seen children using common errors है ये, that he put the, मान लो अगर past tense में change करना होगा तो he putted the cup yesterday there. So don't do this. He cutted
Ma'am,
the tree yesterday.
hate.
हाँ, hate, hate, hate. Hate is a very strong word, a negative word. Okay. So we have these words. Remember, so the verbs we change, so maximum verbs changes their form with the use of D, ED, T. So they are, इसीलिए सिर्फ weak तो है, लेकिन regular verb कहा गया है, क्योंकि maximum verbs you are going to get from this. Clear, children? So this is also, now let's move to tenses. Acha. Three tenses we have always been talking about: present tense, past tense, future
Past tense
tense.
and future tense.
हाँ, nowadays many grammarian, American or some, they simply feel that there is no need of future tense. जो बताया भी था मैंने. Why? Because they simply say that future itself is unpredictable. How can you say that what will happen that particular time? But still, we are following British English, and simple future is very easily spoken, no, in our India, very commonly. But see, if you want to say, already I have given you this example, that if you want to convey some future thing, and if you are using he will do this work tomorrow, you can also say this sentence with present continuous form. He is going to do this work tomorrow. Meaning is same. If you translate it into Hindi, वह कल ये काम करेगा, वो कल ये काम कर रहा होगा. There is no difference. There is no difference. If you talk about its meaning, so grammar or language is all about what? Communication. If the meaning is conveyed, the work is done. But still, I will explain you future tense also. But before that, let us talk about our very first tense, that is present tense. Okay? Now, present tense, it has also 4, you can say, parts. What?
Present indefinite.
सबसे पहला क्या है हमारा? Yes, simple present, which is also known, simple present, which is also known as present indefinite.
Indefinite.
Indefinite. Present indefinite tense. Okay, you all know
Present
about
continuous.
it. Second is present continuous. Third is
Present perfect.
Perfect.
Present perfect
Present
continuous.
perfect continuous.
Perfect.
Okay.
Continuous.
Now, why and how these tenses are used? We all know when a simple sentence is being conveyed, which is a habit, or you can say anything which is happening every day. Sun rises in the day, he goes to the school on the daily basis. Okay, he brushes his teeth, he completes his work. So on the basic which is happening at any time, point of time, indefinite, any time. That is, although we know that we have a definite time to come to school, we have a definite time, sun has a definite time to rise, but still universal truth, they all are being conveyed. How? Like this, simple present or present indefinite. Formula you remember, my dear children? Yes, subject 1 V1
Subject
oblique
plus
V5
V2.
oblique, sorry, plus object.
Object.
So this is the common formula, subject plus V1 oblique V5 plus object. Okay, very simple, no need to worry. Now let us move to एक sentence
मैम इसका
बताओ,
एग्जांपल
कोई
आई
बताओ
प्ले
मुझे।
भी हो सकता है और आई प्ले क्रिकेट भी.
हाँ, exactly. Give me a nice sentence. अच्छा sentence बताओ. Yeah.
Ma'am, he used
Don't.
to go to school.
यहाँ used to simple बताओ.
मॉडल्स.
Infinitive की जरूरत है. हाँ, उतना मॉडल्स या कॉम्प्लिकेट क्यों कर रहे हो?
He
Use
plays.
one strong, नहीं, strong verb लो. Take one strong verb and then make one simple sentence. He is a human. Is होगा auxiliary verb. कौन लिख रहा है ये? He is a human. You are not a human.
Sun rises in morning.
That's a universal truth. My dear children, why you children are taking so much? Not easy. Okay, he goes to school. She study every day. Okay, chalo. Let's see the one example. She sings a melodious song. या चलो इतना लंबा नहीं, छोटा सेंटेंस लेते हैं. She sings a song. Okay. Now change this sentence into interrogative form. Change this. ये what type of sentence it is? कैसा sentence है ये? Assertive. What type of sentence it is? Assertive. Basically, we talk about 4 types of sentence.
Ma'am, present.
Assertive, interrogative. So tell me. Oh, who is speaking? Speak nicely. Tell me, how will you change this sentence into interrogative sentence? See, children, you all know that we have two ways of making interrogative sentence. One, you can simply
Do-
start with auxiliary verb, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
model verbs, and the second one is when we use WH form of words. WH family, 8 members हैं, ज़्यादा बड़ी family नहीं है, 8 members we have. Now see what we are going to do. How will we change? Now
Ma'am,
listen.
adding
अब ध्यान से
word
सुनते जाओ.
does.
She loves.
Yes. Very good. Now
Does
we
she
have no. अच्छा, अगर ये रहता, she is singing a song, तो easy हो जाता. Is she singing a song? If I asked you, जहाँ auxiliary verb हो या model auxiliaries हो, so it's very easy to convert a simple sentence into interrogative. She is singing a song. Is she singing a song? They are going to the market. Are they going to the market? He is coming, yes, tomorrow. So maybe is he coming the next day? Whatever. Or yeah, he has completed his work. Has he completed his work? He will go to the market tomorrow. Will he go to the market? Clear. अगर इसी में additional information चाहिए तो हम लोग what, why, when, why is she singing a song, where is she singing a song, है ना, when is she singing a song, ये कर देते हैं. But whenever we have so simple present tense, past में भी आऊंगी मैं, and we have no auxiliary verb, तब हम लोग किसी से borrow करते हैं. जो चीज अपने पास नहीं होती है वो borrow की जाती है. मैं तो सीधे बोलती हूँ borrow, buy और steal, तो चुराना नहीं है, borrow करते हैं. Then we will move to one family. एक family है हमारे पास, किसकी? Do, does और did. 3 members हैं, छोटी सी family है, sweet family. Okay, तो present tense जाता है उसके पास, simple present, and then he borrows these 2 members from this family. Do or does. अब do and does का uses तो you all might be knowing. Don't tell me you don't know. Do plural में use करते हैं, does singular में use करते हैं. Okay. Now I'm going to convert this sentence, and I would like all of you to see. और अगर कोई mistake होगा तो वो तुम्हें मुझे बताना है. She sings a song. Now I'm going to convert this sentence
Did
into
she sing a song?
did. यही से.
No, ma'am.
Does present की बात हो रही है. Does
Ma'am,
she
does she sings a song?
Sings a song.
sings a song? And sign of interrogation. Do you think this sentence is correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Someone is saying no, someone is saying yes. Tell me, do you think this sentence is correct?
Ma'am, does
No.
she sing the
Aryan?
song?
No, ma'am.
Ah,
No, ma'am,
it's
it's
not correct. This
incorrect.
sentence is incorrect because the correct word will be
Ma'am,
does
we-
she sing a
Yes.
song?
Sing a song.
अगर एक और sentence spelling, they write a letter. I am now changing this, converting this sentence into
Do they
interrogative.
write
तो
a
क्या हो
letter?
जाएगा?
Do they write a
they-
letter?
Do they write a letter?
कौन
they
writes
write a
बोला? कौन writes बोला?
Ma'am, Kshitij.
Ma'am, writes होगा.
क्षितिज. Do writes होगा?
Ma'am, right होगा.
Kshitij. Now listen carefully, one very important thing, that whenever you are using do or does, whenever or did भी, वहां भी मैं आऊंगी. If you are using do or does, then always you will use main form of verb, basic form of verb. मतलब after do, does and even did. अभी did का मैंने नहीं बताया है. We are supposed to use V1, not even V5. Singular हो, plural हो, doesn't matter. But if you are using do or does, then you will always use basic form of verb, जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं V1. समझ रहे हो? V1. And अब क्या हो जाएगा? Now if I ask you to change these 2 sentences into negative sentence, then it will be so easy for you. She does not sing a song. और does आ गया, does not आ गया, उसके बाद भी main verb sings नहीं होगा, although she is singular. They do not write a letter. Why? Because once again, जब भी main verb के पहले do, does या did आ जाए, तो verb कोई भी, चाहे वो past tense हो या present tense हो, verb will change its form. And which verb we will use? Which form you will use? Only and only V1. सुन रहे हो? Only and only V1. What my समझ रहे हो my dear children, whoever is attending class? अब सुनो, इसी का मैं past tense तुरंत clear कर दूं. Now we will move to simple past. See.
Subject plus verb, second form plus object.
Very good. Simple past, which is also known as past indefinite. याद है ना?
Past indefinite.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Past indefinite. Formula: subject plus V2 plus
Verb is second.
object. She sang a song. Clear? Now change it
Yes,
into
ma'am.
interrogative. Interrogative में change करो.
Did she sing a
Did
song?
she
Very
sing
good.
song?
Did sang नहीं. Did she
Ma'am, sing.
sing? हाँ, sing
Ma'am,
a
sing.
song. क्योंकि did हो गया, that means अब तुम कहोगे boy very easily you will. अब इसको क्या कहोगे तुम? Past tense
It is
interrogative
past tense.
sentence.
Ma'am,
हाँ,
it's-
सिर्फ past tense नहीं. You will say past tense interrogative sentence.
Sentence.
हाँ, it will be called past tense interrogative sentence. Okay, मतलब did यहाँ आ गया तो ये sang change हो गया V1 में. And did is here, did ही से तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा कि this entire sentence is a past sentence. Okay, past tense interrogative. Clear? अगर मैं एक और sentence लूं, they wrote.
मैम इसका आंसर हो जाएगा
हाँ।
मैम एक एग्जांपल कि आई हैव ट्रेवल्ड टू जापान यस्टरडे.
Very good. Did
Did they write a
They-
letter?
They write a letter.
write a letter.
Letter.
And sign of interrogation, which is very important. Sign of interrogation, which is very important. Now see, in present tense, you will be careful because you have two options, do and does. Do is used for plural, does is used for singular. But in past tense, no tension. Only one thing you will find, that is did. Did, that can be used for singular person also, that can be used for plural also. Clear? So whenever, अब इसको सीधे negative में ले जाओ. She didn't sing a song. They didn't write a letter. Okay, जैसे ही did आ गया, it is clear that this sentence is in the past tense. So there will be no problem. Formulas you
मैम
will
हम
always
interrogative
remember.
negative में बनाएंगे तो
हाँ, तो उसमें भी did they not sing a song? Simple. Not इधर आ जाएगा. Interrogative negative जब भी होगा तो did they not sing a song? Did